Hi, dear friends. Today the extreme pronatron is in the field too. I will set 2 gold coins on my right. I will also add some silver, friends. 2 gold coins and silver. Let's see if the performance test is as we said. Come on, let's check it out together. Right side. I will put the gold in its place. Left. Silver 2. See? Let it stay. Ag. This is gold. I'm taking it. Gold. I will place it here with my buddies. Hope looks visible. Important note on my right. I will put it. Coming. Did it appear? Bu taraf. I'm not sure exactly where the camera's viewpoint is. But, friends, this way too. Silver, to my spot. Check this out. We have silver here too. Don't lose it. Take this package. I'll place it near you. Now, let's take our device. Hey, friends. Yes, my antennas. I will open it first. Opening antennas. After I turn on my device, friends. Yes, it's open. Currently, my level, friends, is below 97. I will be coming from across. There is gold when you go to the right. It will be silver when you get to the left. I picked gold now. He shouldn't see the silver. It's clear and simple, friends. Clear and straightforward. I opted for the number 97. It holds the value of gold and must remain as such. When I select 87, it must go to silver. This means it shouldn't see the gold. To the left side. It should see the silver. Let's test it from the other side. Now, my dear friends, I have to ensure that my device remains steady and stable. We selected 97, as mentioned before, with no shaking involved. Let's observe the direction it leads. I'm steadily approaching, companions. I'm approaching without shaking my device to avoid disrupting the signal. It shook a little here, but... Look, friends. Right. Yes. We put the gold on the right. Let's give it another try. Let's do it again, friends. This time I'll look forward. Without shaking. Look, friends. 97. I actually need to show you this thing too. "97. Gold frequency value. We had selected that, friends. From here, I possess both signals, one situated on the left and the other on the right side. I am 5 mammoths away from them now. Now I am approaching calmly, my dear companions, without any sign of nervousness or disturbance. I'm coming steady. Yes, friends, that's the deal. I placed metal on the right. That I put as metal. 2 coins of gold. You can see. It saw the gold coins. I'll put them back. This time, let's choose silver, friends. Silver. Evet. We have silver now, friends. Now, approaching from the other side, let's see if it will go to the left. Will it move left? Just like that, friends. No shaking. Don't shake the device so the device can move in the desired direction, friends. It should be able to move in the desired direction. Now, I'm approaching slowly, friends. Yes, indeed. Right on target. Exactly aligned, friends. Entry again. I selected 87. What was the metal there? Silver. Look, it didn't see the gold. Even if I attempt to demonstrate it, it remains stationary. Look. I shook it. This is a user mistake, friends. The device is working fine. The error is yours. The steering is yours. You need to operate it correctly. I understood I shook it. I pulled back. I'm holding it again. That's all there is. Just like that, I will step back a bit. Look. Let's take it back to 97. Look, it's currently detecting our silver at 87. Yes. I'm trying to make the video as short as possible so that you won't waste time. 90. Actually, we can do it from here. Look, this time I'm coming from here. Gold fell on my left. Silver is on my right. Now, because the gold is on our side, we must ensure it comes our direction. Look, friends, that's the whole story. Let's approach from the other side again. Our topics should reach the right point. Gold is to the right, silver is to the left. I'm coming steady, friends. That's all there is. Yes, you see it. That's all, friends. To the right. My gold. It's to the right. My silver is on the left. The value is 87 for silver. 97 for gold. It's that clear, friends. No stories, no lies, no tricks. We as a company never, ever find the truth. Take care. See you next time. Take care. See you next time. Please be cautious. I'll catch up with you later.